Hi guys, welcome to Liquid Crypto Gold review, and this is the name of the product that we'll be doing the review in this particular video. Myself Shakti from shaktilema.com, and this is a new software and a training program which will help you to generate commission by you not doing any kind of trading as far as crypto is concerned. So this is a very unique concept as far as this software is concerned. Let us see like what exactly this is. Well, it says it's a secret green energy platform, pays us daily crypto and commissions. So you not only get commissions, but you will also be able to earn crypto currencies by using this platform. So what exactly this is? This is the world first crypto powered green energy affiliate program. So this is absolutely an affiliate program. So over here you don't have to do any kind of trading or any kind of like involvement of investing in this cryptocurrencies. So it's a affiliate program which will be paying you daily commissions and free crypto. So how does it work? So let us see let us see like there are three simple steps that you have to follow in order to use this particular software. The first one is you once you get into the dashboard, it will give you the access to all those done for you funnel inside that particular platform. Then you have to connect to the green energy crypto program. So there are a lot of program, like cryptocurrency is mining of cryptocurrency also relates to saving of green energy, and a lot of green energy are being used when these coins are mined. So there are certain platform wherein they make sure that when the mining is happening, those green energy are saved rather than being wasted. So this particular platform will connect you to those green energy crypto program, and from there you can start making commission. So what happens is that you easily scale and you can easily go ahead and by this affiliate program you'll be able to create commission. So what are the things that you are not that you will be not be doing, because most of this software, most of this product requires a lot of things that you have to do in order to generate affiliate commission. But what this program or what this software is that you don't have to buy any kind of crypto, you don't need to do any kind of trading of cryptocurrency, or you don't have to invest money or risk your money in those. No selling of product, SEO, launch jacking, PPC, social media marketing, all those things that is involved in digital marketing is absolutely not over here, like video marketing or CPA, e-commerce, dropshipping, absolutely nothing. You have to just uh, connect to those green energy programs, and after that you will start getting those affiliate commissions once people start using that particular those particular program. So from my end, in fact I'll be connecting this video along with the video of a demo from the creator of this particular product, that is Demetrius Papa, and he will be giving an in-depth knowledge about this particular product, wherein you will have a better understanding like how it works. So let me just give you let me show you like what are the bonuses that I am offering you in case you are taking this product using my affiliate link. So the first one would be Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. So you need to like go ahead and showcase this particular product in certain if you certain platform if you want, and Instagram would be a great platform. That's what I believe, and that's the reason I'm offering this particular training program. This is a very good training program which can help you. Not only this, but you can also do Instagram marketing and increase your follower in Instagram. Ultimately, those follower can you can refer them to this particular program. And if you want to if you want to run some paid ad to generate income using this platform, then Bing Ad Master Training can help you. And similarly, you can go through this crazy traffic explosion training. It's a training wherein you learn, or the training teaches you how to generate free traffic for any of your affiliate program, and this is what can help you along with this software. And the last one is how to intro to affiliate marketing. So how you can use those technique and strategy when you start your affiliate marketing using this particular crypto commission or liquid crypto gold program. This particular training will help you as well. And along with that, you will be getting the special vendor bonus if you take action today and buy this particular product using my link. then whatever bonuses has been offered to me by the vendor, even you will be getting those as well. So once you get this, you have to just go to, in case you are purchasing this product and you want to get these bonuses, you can go to your purchase section in Warrior Plus, and a blue button would be there, that is access affiliate bonus. And once you click on it, you'll be able to access all your bonuses along with the bonuses that I'm offering. All right, so now let's go on and watch the video wherein Demetrius is telling us how this particular program is completely different from other software that is available in the market, and how you can get a lot of commission without you being doing anything just by using this product. So let's get into that video and let's check. And thank you very much for sticking to this video till the end.
My name is Demetrius, and I'm going to give you a quick overview about what this product does and how it's going to help your subscribers and yourself in generating daily crypto profits. Liquid Crypto Gold is a done-for-you cloud-based software and training that will help you generate profits from an untapped oil and decentralized commodities market. It's not about investing in crypto or oil. No need to purchase any of these to make a profit. No reason to do ICOs, MLM, recruiting, or product launching. But this is about how to monetize this multi-trillion commodities industry using our secret green platform. What if you could get all the upsides of crypto daily profits, a growing wallet, a buyer's list, with none of these hassles, risks, or costs? Now you can actually do this with our revolutionary Crypto Gold platform. This is the world's first system that makes it three-step easy for anybody to cash in from this multi-trillion crypto-powered green energy boom that's happening right now. In these 3 steps, you start off with step 1. We give you the exact funnel we're using ourselves to get paid in free crypto whenever other people trade clean energy. You don't need a website, hosting, paid software, or any technical skills, because this is an automated funnel that takes just 1 click to activate. In step 2, we connect you to our secret green energy crypto program absolutely free without any hidden fees ever. And in step 3, we give you our automated traffic system that generates you crypto commissions and buyer leads on autopilot. Liquid Crypto Gold is going to help you generate profits from an untapped oil and decentralized market and get paid in crypto. Now let me show you real quick how this training and software will help you generate those commissions, profits, and crypto with real proof inside the system. Now welcome to the inside members area of our secret platform that is helping us generate commissions, crypto commissions, almost on a daily basis. And I'm going to show you the 2 methods that we're actually generating money here and how you and your users can do the same. Now the first method is basically to send your links over to this, and this will pay you with Ethereum payments of Ethereum crypto, where I've been able to generate over $1,577.74 from just 60 direct referrals over to my links. Everything else is pretty much automated and everything is pretty much done for you. All you have to do is follow the training inside our members area to get those referrals and then let the system work on autopilot. That's the one method that you're going to be generating crypto commissions using this green based platform that we're using to generate these commissions. The next part is optional, and if you want to generate 10x of your business and put it on autopilot for the next few years, then you'll have to invest into purchasing these coins from this platform, where they are basically oil production that is turned into crypto. And from that, you can redeem into cash and you can stake and invest as many coins as you want and reinvest in the business on complete autopilot. The numbers that you're seeing here is based on $1,000 investment that has been placed inside this platform, where I'm investing in oil production, where from that oil production that happens on a daily basis, I'll be able to generate coins, and from these coins I can reinvest in this business to reinvest into purchasing more oil and that generates a passive income in the next 5 to 10 years, depending on what my choices are. So ladies and gentlemen, please go ahead, scroll down and get your links, because on the 5th of August, we're launching this for everybody to come in and start generating crypto commissions using our Liquid Crypto Gold platform and offer. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll talk to you inside.